Back in lockdown, and one of the best things to do with a packet of lentils is to make dal. It's super comforting, it's very, very easy, and it requires hardly any ingredients, which is probably the best bit. So I've got a half a packet of red lentils. So I'm just going to pop in the pot, and then it is simply a case of adding as you go. I've got chilli, don't want it to be too hot, some grated ginger, some garlic, and in this part I'm going to do with my hands, shove some onions in, and fresh tomato. I mean, it doesn't really get a lot simpler than this. Just give that a stir. We're going to pop in some cumin, about a teaspoon, some coriander, a little bit of turmeric, just for color, get it all mixed up. And I'm going to add a can of coconut cream. Right, then just pop in a can's worth of water. So you just want a slow kind of simmer. You have to boil first though, and then season it. Quite a fair amount of salt you're going to need. But that's it, some pepper. Give it a stir, bring it to the boil. And once it's boiling, turn it down, put the lid on, Bob's your way. I'm going to move it to another pan because actually we're going to make a tarka. Tarka is a very slow cooked affair. We're going to add some oil into the pan. And then we're going to add onions, seeds, and curry leaves and cook it very, very slowly. Right, so mustard seeds and cumin. Lots of fried onion in. Now don't panic, it's all going to melt down. If you've got fresh curry leaves, they need to go in. If you don't, dried ones will do fine. So long and slow with the tarka. The dal is now done. Smells divine. This is a really hearty, delicious meal. Simply ladle it into a bowl. Oh, so lovely. If you've got some naan bread in the freezer, shove that in too, but never mind. And then just sprinkle some on top. And anybody who's with you in lockdown will love you for life.